Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hammam Faturahman Yusuf. You can call me Hammam. I'm from class D. Actually, I'm confused what to do in completing this assignment. Moreover, this is the kind of assignment I had because it requires me to make a video and I have to upload it to YouTube or other social media. But today in this video, to finish my assignment, I want to review food. Wait. Yeah, this is the food I'm going to review. This is called fried rice, or Indonesian it is called nasi goreng. By the way, I made this myself, so maybe the taste is unexpected because actually I hardly ever cook. Maybe just cook egg or noodles to eat. So first, maybe I tell you about this fried rice I made. The ingredient I used to make fried rice, I asked to my mother, so the ingredients were rice, eggs, and seasonings such as salad, garlic, scallions, and salt. It would be better if there was soy sauce, it's just that there wasn't, so yeah. For how to make it, you can search on Google because it is quite difficult to explain. Okay, next I will show you this fried rice more closely. Yeah, that was the fried rice I made. How does it look? Not good, right? And now I will test this fried rice I made. The taste of the food is maybe good like fried rice in general. Well, fried rice is not a food that has to be made with special skills, so I think everyone can make it. But if asked about the comparison, then I prefer to buy it at the shop. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this video. So bye bye.